I made it digital. So I gave you a website to go to, and you click this, and it's called Geogebra. And what it is you can click and drag and make the angles. So how I did number one. So I'm going to go to number one. It says draw a triangle with one 45-degree angle and one 35-degree angle. So I know that all the angles should be 180 degrees. 45 plus 35 is 80. So I know my last angle needed to be 100. So then I went to Geogebra, and you sometimes have to mess with it. So I know I needed to make it 100. So there's 45, see? So I made 45, 35, and that says 101, but okay. So then what I did is on your Chromebook, there are these three keys: Control, Shift, and then this little like weird screen looking square button at the top. So to do that, I did it on my computer. Oh, I keep forgetting how to do this. Okay. You get this little like T thing. So what you can do is you click and then see how I'm dragging over the picture. So then I unclick and it sounds like a camera. So then I undo it and then it's copied to your computer. And then I went over here and you right click and click paste, and it will paste it. Okay, so this website is fun to draw the triangles.